Hey y'all, it's Miss Goodwin. I hope y'all are all doing great. I miss y'all so much. This whole quarantine thing has really thrown me for a loop, and I know probably y'all too. I hate that we're not in the classroom, but the learning must go on, and I'm really excited to still be teaching y'all, even if it is through videos and emails. And I hope that we get back in the classroom soon, but until then, I want to go ahead and show y'all how we are going to be learning and how I'm going to be teaching y'all over the next couple of weeks. So we are doing Canvas. I know a lot of y'all are familiar with it, but just in case, I want to make sure that y'all are extra familiar with it because now this is our only way of learning. So right here it says Alternative Instruction Week 1. This is your home page, and when you click on this, it gives you everything you need to know for Week 1. Next week you'll see one that says Alternative Instruction Week 2, and that's going to give you everything you need to know for Week 2. So first, I want you to click on the Week 1 overview. In the Week 1 overview, it says kind of a little introduction page given to you by me, and then it tells you everything you need to do, kind of like a to-do list, and it also gives you upcoming events. So you'll see that weeks 2 through 4 we're working on poetry, which is what we're doing this week, and then on week 2 it says it's Virtual Spirit Week. Whoop, whoop. That's going to be really fun. I'm really excited about it, and I'll give you more information on it on Friday. The to-do list, you'll notice that there's always going to be a video embedded into the to-do list, which is currently what you're watching, and each week it's going to give you kind of what you need to do for the week. Now let me go back. 1 second, guys, as my screen loads. Okay. Then the next one is how to submit an assignment. Okay, so the how to submit an assignment, this is an assignment where all I'm doing is just saying, can you submit an assignment? I know, really basic, really easy, but it lets me know that you know exactly what you're doing on Canvas. So you'll see that the instructions are right here. All you got to do is pretty much submit a blank file, honestly. Then let's go back. Your second assignment for this week, which is going to take a little bit longer than just the click of a button, is going to be your poetry vocabulary. I have the directions right up here, and then you'll see there's a list of poetry terms or vocab words, and they cover like basic poetry words all the way through figurative language words. And then next to them you have the definition of what the word is. So if you look right here, a stanza is a group set of lines within a poem. Well, then on the example, I want you to actually find an example, whether it's from the internet, a book that you know, a song, a movie, or maybe even an example that you come up with on the top of your head. I'm cool with any of that, as long as you have one example for each one. Obviously, I'll never limit you. You can come up with multiple examples for one, but you gotta have at least one for each of the 13 words. So you should have a total of 13 examples. I'm sorry. Then let's go back, because I want to show you a couple other things. So then after we're done with the Alternative Instruction Week 1, I want to show you announcements. So the announcements you'll see are actual announcements that I've posted to you. It's when I have something really important I want to share with the whole class, and it means, hey, I probably need to check this out. It's something you should be checking frequently. So in this one, it's kind of almost an overview of what our whole class is going to look like online. You'll see that it tells you how we can communicate with each other, how you can answer discussion board questions, or even pose questions to me on discussions, how you can send me emails. You'll also see right here, this one's super important, is office hours. Monday through Friday, I'm going to be online between the hours of 8 and 9 a.m. and 2 to 3 p.m. And when I say I'm online, I mean I'm sitting here on my computer waiting for you to ask me questions. This is the time where you can get on and you are guaranteed to get an answer within less than 5 minutes because I'm here waiting to respond. If you look right here, this is constantly going to be updated, so you'll see we have a huge overview for week 1 and what you're going to be learning. And we're currently in the process of planning for your next couple of weeks, but know that it's going to be around poetry. Another super important thing is right here. You'll see it says all assignments for ELA and science will be due on Fridays. Remember this day. You've got work due Friday. Do not forget. And then that's pretty much the only really important things you need to know from there. Of course, I would just look over a couple other things, make sure. Lastly is Great. Let me go back to home. Hold on. 1 second. All right. Lastly, if you'll look, you'll have something that says like coming up or to do off to the side. This tells you the work that you have due each week. It'll also tell you when it's due, at what time it's due, and it'll tell you how much points it's worth a week. Off to the side, you'll see that you have a discussion. Discussions is where you can pose questions to the whole class, or even if you just have a question that you're like, hey, I just really need to know this, it's super important, and if it's during office hours, post it there. Grades, this is where you can check your grades. You can see every single assignment you have due. I think it even tells you when it's due, and it'll also tell you how many points you got out of whatever it was. So if you were doing the how to submit an assignment, it might say 100 out of 100. Another one I wanted to point out to y'all was right here at the bottom, Flipgrid. You're very familiar with Flipgrid. We've used it in class before. I just wanted to remind you that this is there, and we're probably going to start using it week 2 or week 3. Well, definitely week 2, because I forgot we have the Spirit Week, and I'm so excited about that. It's going to be awesome. We're going to get to post videos. My computer's kind of lagging a little bit. There it goes. It looks exactly like the Flipgrid screen, and you'll get to post your Spirit videos on here and a whole bunch of other things. And looking at it, I think that's everything. Really, guys, I miss y'all so, so much. I can't wait to see y'all again. And please, please, please don't hesitate. If y'all have any questions at all, please email me. Please send me a discussion board question. Please send me a chat, because I promise you, I'm just as bored as you. I need to be teaching. This is driving me nuts. So please, please, please ask me questions if you have any at all. I love y'all so much. Stay safe, make smart choices, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.